So here's the Generac QuietSource series. It's a 27 kilowatt liquid cooled generator. Runs on natural gas. Slab's been poured, generators installed and hooked up. Gas lines installed. Gas company ran a new separate meter for this side of the house to run the generator. So I'll start it up in a second here. You can see how it sounds. So here's the units running. A little noisy. It's about the same sound as the one of my AC units that aren't running right now. Quieter on this side, away from the exhaust. We're about 10 feet away. About 20 feet away. And the unit's off. Just an inline 4 regular automotive engine. Runs at about 1800 RPMs. It's the outside automatic transfer switch. It's right next to the meter, and right behind this meter and this transfer switch on the other side is my main breaker panel in the garage. There's the cover off. Main service disconnect if I want to turn off city power. There's also a manual switch over for some reason if the automatic sensor doesn't sense city power shutting off. You can come out here and use this little orange handle that plugs in here, manually turn the system on. But we've done tests and works like a charm. Power goes out, 20 seconds later the generator kicks on, and about 15-20 seconds after that switches over to the generator power, and the whole house is back up and running.